G'day guys, it's Bree here from Neighbourhood. Are you looking to better track your team's productivity inside HubSpot? Creating custom call and meeting outcomes can help to align your business needs while also being used as filters in workflows and lists. Today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to get this done. As a quick heads up, this applies to Sales or Service Hub Professional to utilize these features. If you're keen on more practical support inside HubSpot, Neighbourhood offers a comprehensive, easy to follow course so you're making the most out of HubSpot. It even comes with a money-back guarantee. To find out more, check out the link in the description below. If you want to take your learning offline though, we'll include a free downloadable PDF on this how-to in the description below. Okay, so let's get into firstly what it looks like to track your meeting and call outcomes. So when I go to a contact, for example, let me show you how this can be super useful. So the first thing I want to show you is basically what it looks like when you're tracking call or meeting outcomes. So we'll go to one of our example contacts here and give them a quick call. So I've clicked on the contact, I'm going to click call the number, and I'll just quickly hang up so we're not actually calling anyone. But from there you can see we've got some labels here, and this is where you'll be able to put your call and meeting outcomes. Now within this portal we haven't set up any yet, so I am going to show you exactly how you can do that. So we'll just get it out of here for a moment and we're going to go straight to settings. Once we're in settings, we're going to scroll down all the way down to tools and then calling. So I've clicked on calling. This is where your numbers will be set up for you to make calls. So please make sure that your phone number is set up ready to go before you go through these steps. So I'm going to click on the tab Call Configurations here, and I'm going to click Track Call and Meeting Types. Now once that's selected, we're going to be able to edit some options that we can push into our contacts once we're making those calls. So for example, here at Neighbourhood, we do exploratory calls and discovery calls. So I might want to track what type of call I've just made. So for example, for now, we're going to put exploratory call. We might put discovery call, or it might also be just a simple account call, maybe with one of our customers. So we'll do those as some options and click Save. Now, once that's done, it's important to note that this will actually copy over to your meeting types as well. So something good to note. Now, scrolling down, whilst we're here, we can also go to the meeting tool under tools in your settings as well. We can track different meeting outcomes. So I'm going to click edit options, and we can add a few more things in here, specifically for meetings. So for example, it's been scheduled, has it been completed? Did they not show up to the meeting? Bits and bobs like that. Now, HubSpot already comes with some pre-selected for you, but you can add additional ones if you need to, if they're specific to your business. So if you've added any, you can click Save. Otherwise, you can leave it blank and use the HubSpot pre-selected ones. So now let's have a quick look at what we've created and what we've saved within our contacts. So I'm going to actually go to myself this time and give myself a call, and I can show you from there at our different outcomes. So just call myself, I'll end the call there. In some of our other videos, we do talk about leaving notes, rating the quality as well, and this is where you can do it here. Now, it's also good to note that the labels won't actually come up until the call is officially ended. So sometimes you just might need to wait a while until the checkbox comes up there. From here, you can see we can select the outcome. So we've got busy, connected, wrong number, for example. So let's just say we connected with this one. And then for the call type, this is where we created our own types of call types. So it might be a discovery call, it might be an exploratory call, or it might be something very specific to your business as well. Once you've done, you can take your notes and you can click Save. Once that's done, you can see here now that my communication with myself has been added here. And you can also see down here that the outcome and type of call has been collected. That way you have a bit more data to know what that call was about and the purpose of that call as well. And there you have it. You now know how to create custom call and meeting outcomes inside HubSpot. If you're wanting to make the most out of HubSpot, Neighborhood offers a step-by-step course covering marketing, sales, service, and CMS Hub in depth, ensuring you and your team are best serving your customers while developing efficient internal processes. We'll include a link for this below. If you're after a PDF version of this for later, or you're passing it on to a mate in need, we'll include a link in the description. If you've gained value from this video or you're keen to learn more about HubSpot, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. But for now, happy HubSpotting.